Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Make your mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making shrimp fettuccine. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 pound of shrimp. We're also going to need 1 box of fettuccine, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 tablespoons of minced garlic. We're also going to need 2 cups of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of white wine, 1 cup of parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to also need fresh parsley, and you're going to need 3 teaspoons of salt. Okay guys, as you can see, I have all my ingredients measured out. Now guys, you want to get a pot of boiling water, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt in there, and also 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And we're going to go ahead and let the water boil. Okay guys, once your water comes to a full boil, all we're going to do now is just add our fettuccine in. Now we're going to let our fettuccine cook for 12 minutes. Okay guys, after 12 minutes, we're going to drain the water from our fettuccine, and we're going to set it aside until later. Okay guys, now we're going to get a pan, and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to it. We're going to let that heat up. Then we're going to add our shrimp. Okay guys, now we're going to add our shrimp. You want to spread them out nicely in your pan. Then we're going to add our paprika. Our black pepper. Our garlic powder, and also our salt. And all you want to do is let them cook for 3 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 3 minutes. So now all we're going to do is remove our shrimp from the pan. Alright guys, next what we're going to do is add our 2 tablespoons of butter to the same pan. And also our minced garlic. And we're just going to saute that for 1 minute. Okay guys, next we're going to add our 1/2 cup of white wine. And all you want to do is mix that real quick. And now we're going to go ahead and add our 2 cups of heavy cream. And we're going to bring that to a light simmer. So you guys can go ahead and mix that up. Okay guys, now you can add your Parmesan cheese in, and we're just going to mix that until it melts. We're also going to add our shrimp back in. Go ahead and give that a good mix. Now guys, we're going to go ahead and add our fettuccine in. And you want to mix that around. And we're going to allow that to cook for 5 more minutes. Okay guys, after 5 minutes, all you want to do is go ahead and take some fresh parsley and put it over top for garnish. Alright guys, so this is how you make creamy shrimp Alfredo. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.